say, don't you ever lie to me. Don't you ever lie to me. Okay, I ain't shitting, this is on the public record. I'm taking interest in all these women, I'm steady texting. Am I the bad guy? Not really, I just lack affection. I know it backfires, but really I just need attention. I'm isolated, my mind's a prison, I'm in my feelings. You say you love me, but you don't trust me, the sword you wielding. School done taught us to settle, and we just like them pilgrims. Insecurities got us thinking we not so different. She say, don't you ever lie to me. I mean, I know you put your pride in me. Is it a means to an end? I feel I'm losing when I win. I got a fiend for a friend, like who to share my stories with, who to keep me on my shit. Feel I'm acting off of feelings when I really know you with, but you just push me to the side, like could you really be my bride? Got a feeling that you feeling what you feeling isn't right. I mean, I'm sick of all the fights. Work up in the morning, but we argue through the nights. I mean, this really can't be life. I got this thing for you, but my character is questioned, and I'm walking through the church like a usher. My confessions, damn. She say, don't you ever lie to me. She say, don't you ever lie to me. And I lie, and I lie, and I cheat, and I cheat, and we fight, and we fight. Girl, for real, don't you ever put your pride in me. Don't you ever put your pride in me. She say, don't you ever lie to me. She say, don't you ever lie to me. Don't you ever put your pride in me. Don't you ever put your pride in me. She wake me up through the night, I'm talking phone all in my face. I'm like, what the message say? No, you read the message wrong. Why you trying to state your case? Why you snooping through my phone any motherfucking way? Even if you finding nothing, swear the message is erased. I'm just trying to clear my mind, so I'm riding to the lake. But you swear I'm meeting her there. Whoa there, that's unfair. I got the blues for you, baby. I done sung my share. Like, do you ride for me? Is this really a disguise to me? Lie to me. Baby, answer, I say lie to me, lie to me. I see you moving in it spitefully, rightfully. I gotta wonder if it's right for me. You don't think I'm strong-minded to tell these bitches no? Before it ever get violent, baby, I hit the door. I mean, your problems, my problems, and we just need to cope. It seems I'm always the problem, this house just ain't our own. Just ain't our own. And I lie, and I lie, and I cheat, and I cheat, and we fight, and we fight. Girl, for real, don't you ever put your pride in me. Don't you ever put your pride in me. She say, don't you ever lie to me. She say, don't you ever lie to me. Don't you ever put your pride in me. Don't you ever put your pride in me. Late night with the guys writing this music. You be accusing without really accusing. I knew this shit was bound to happen. Feel we never gon' grow and we always remaining stagnant. I'm just asking, I done fucked up. Could we ever get past it? I'm just asking, tell me what's wet. Is we changing our status? It's just baggage after baggage that's just weighing on my conscience. Had the key right to your heart, and you went and seen the locksmith. Is we talking? Is we walking? Tell me, what is it, the artist? You keep calling, baby, I am just an artist. But regardless, you just knock me in there, really push the farthest. I'm just cautious how I see it, baby, really how I call it. Damn. She say, don't you ever lie to me. She say, don't you ever lie to me. And I lie, and I lie, and I cheat, and I cheat, and we fight, and we fight. Girl, for real, don't you ever put your pride in me. Don't you ever put your pride in me. She say, don't you ever lie to me. She say, don't you ever lie to me. Don't you ever put your pride in me. Don't you ever put your pride in me.
Has been forwarded to an automatic voice message system. Please record your message. When you have finished recording, you may hang up or press 1 for more options.
Hello? Pierre? So you don't see me calling and texting your phone? You know what? Wherever you at, you might as well just stay there. Because I am tired of sitting around waiting on you. Matter of fact, you ain't even got to worry about me dialing this number ever again.